Hello, this is Pikachu. Now it's time for bed now because I brushed my boogers and combed my teeth. Time for bed, yay! No, don't take my macaroni, no, no, no! Oh, no, take my mommy! Oh, good, every to the three. Oh, I'll go back to sleep. No! Don't take my toast! Anything but my toast! No! No! I have to call the Toastbusters.
Toastbusters!
Where are they? They're on vacation. Crap! Well, I have to go back to sleep now. No! No, don't eat me! No, I'm just a fat Pikachu with no tail. The only reason I ate my tail is because... No monster. I only ate my tail because I was hungry. Ah! Oh, man, I'm scared. I have to go back to sleep now. This time I should not wake up until tomorrow morning. Why are you still watching? Go get a life! The episode's over!